Hello, and welcome to the video tutorial on accessing the LibChat or library chat feature through Front Range Community College, Boulder County campus. We will begin on our main page, frontrange.edu. Towards the top of the screen, there is an option for Student Experience. When you select Student Experience, a blue menu will appear, and you can select Libraries. The Libraries option is the fourth option from the top. This will take you to the Front Range Community College Libraries splash page, which provides basic information about our library branches and locations. We have Boulder County campus, Larimer campus, and Westminster campus libraries. For this video tutorial, we will select Boulder County campus. When you reach the Boulder County campus library homepage, there are two ways to access the LibChat feature. There is a list of tabs on the left-hand side under BCC, Library Home. LibChat is the fourth tab under BCC, Library Home. If you select that tab, it'll automatically take you down the page to where that widget or box is located. Or you can just scroll down to the LibChat 24/7 Remote Library Assistance. In this widget, you can type your name, your student or staff email, and a basic question to get you started. There will be a library staff member or librarian to help answer on the other side. Thanks for watching.